Good morning, children. I hope you all might be safe at your homes. So, in this pandemic, you might have seen that we humans are being locked at home, isn't it? And the animals, they are freely moving on the roads, swimming in the swimming pool, enjoying their freedom. So, you know what? Humans share special bonds of loyalty and love with their pets. You know, I just cannot explain. It's a pleasurable relationship between humans and animals that brings these two diverse species together. I hope everybody has got, love for animals. I have got love for animals, and I don't deny in that. So, here also in this chapter, uh, I'm here with the second chapter from your Moments book, that is The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. So this chapter is basically especially about a monkey. Okay, it's a humorous story by Ruskin Bond, highlighting the activities of a mischievous monkey. So this story is all about a monkey who is mischievous in nature. Okay, who is naughty in nature. Now, so I'm here to summarize this lesson, but again I'm telling you again and again that please go through this go through this lesson, so that it will be easier for you to understand this lesson, and at the same time you'll be able to answer all the questions given at the back, as well as the questions which will come in the examination. Clear? So let me summarize this chapter for you. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? So if you had a baby monkey as a pet, then please share your experience when we'll be back in the school. Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Okay, so let's see that whether he is mischievous or not. Let me see. So what happened that narrator's grandfather loved animals. Okay, he had his own private zoo. So one day he bought a baby monkey from a tanga driver and named it Toto. So what was the monkey's name? Monkey's name was Toto. And he wanted to, after bringing that monkey to home, he wanted Toto to add to his collection for the zoo. Okay, so but he did not kept Toto. He did not keep Toto in the zoo. Why, children? Because the narrator's grandmother did not like his pets, so Toto's presence was kept a secret. Okay. Now Toto was a mischievous monkey. Okay, and what was his appearance like? He was a pretty monkey. Okay, his bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His teeth were pearly white, as you can see in this paragraph. His hands always looked dried up. His fingers were quick and wicked. He had a long tail which he used as his third hand. His long tail added to his beauty. He was just like a naughty child, and he was always looking for pranks. Pranks means mischief, किसी को तंग करना, शरारत करना. Okay, कैसे कोई भी शरारत कर किसी को तंग करने को हम pranks बोलते हैं, mischief. Okay, so this was all about, and he was so by this description, what do we come to know? That he was not docile, but he was a mischievous monkey. So after when he was brought home, he was kept in a little closet which opened into the narrator's room. Okay, now after being locked up in the closet, it's obvious Toto was not a docile one. So what did he do? He tore off author's school blazer and peeled off the plaster of the walls. Okay, so he used destruction in the room. Now the next day Toto was kept with other animals. By seeing his mischief, what did the author and the grandfather do? They shifted him to the servant's room with the other animals. Now there also he caused mischief. He did not allow or any of the animals live peacefully. Now what happened that after some day, grandfather had to collect his pension. Okay, so after some day, what happened that grandfather has to collect his pension from Saharanpur. So he did not feel like leaving Toto behind. So what did he do? He took Toto with him. Okay, he carried Toto in a strong bag made of canvas and closed the zip nicely. So why did he do that? He did that so that Toto could not escape. But as we all know that Toto was a mischievous monkey, what did he do? He tried hard to get out of the bag, and his activity made the bag jump and roll. Now when they reached Saharanpur, when the grandfather was getting his ticket checked, what did Toto do? He peeped out of the bag and gave a wide grin to the ticket collector. He gave a smile to the daat dikhakar, daat dikhana is called grinning, wide grin, okay, to the ticket collector. Now what happened after this? Grandfather had to pay extra fare for Toto, and then after returning from Saharanpur, Toto was ultimately accepted by the family. So you can see in the picture how Toto just peeped out of the bag and gave a wide grin at the ticket collector, and you can see how ticket collector is charging extra fine from grandfather for carrying. And one more thing, ticket collector misunderstood Toto as a dog, so he called Toto as a dog and he charged extra fine, extra fare for Toto from grandfather. Okay, now what happened that after returning from Saharanpur, Toto was ultimately accepted by the family. He was put into a stable with Nana. Now who was Nana, children? Nana was the family donkey. And again, since Toto was a mischievous monkey, so he just what did he do? He teased Nana a lot. Okay, what? How did he tease Nana? She has fastened onto her long ears and his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. Okay, so he used to keep teasing Nana, pulling at her. Okay, now what happened that once Toto nearly boiled himself alive. What did he do? He used to take bath in warm water. Okay, हमेशा वो गर्म गुनगुने पानी में नहाया करता था. But one day what happened? A large kitchen kettle had been left on fire to boil water for tea. वो उसके नहाने का पानी तो था नहीं. It was water for tea and the water was boiling. Now Toto entered the kettle and soon the water began to boil. अब जैसे जैसे पानी गर्म हो रही थी तो टोटो को गर्म लग रहा था and he raised himself, and when he came out so it was cold outside. Again he sat down. Okay, so he continued this activity. He continued hopping up and down till grandmother came to rescue him. If that day grandmother would have not come, Toto would have got himself boiled easily. Now what happened? Toto did not give up his mischiefs. Okay, he tore things to pieces. He tore off the dresses of the aunt. He broke plates and utensils. And one day, what did he do? He entered the dining room and just ran out with a plate of pulao. Now, what happened after that? After finishing the pulao, he threw the plate at the grandmother, and this and broke into several pieces. Okay, he after just in order to tease grandmother, he what did he do? He after eating every grain of pulao, after finishing every grain of pulao, what did he do? He just threw the plate from the tree and broke into several pieces. Now he was really a nuisance. Okay, he caused much loss to the family. They could not tolerate him anymore, and in frustration, grandfather sold Toto back to the tanga driver and heaved a sigh of relief. Now you can see in the last paragraph, children, that obviously Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. Even grandfather realized that we were not well to do. Not well to do means Toto not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpaper. So grandfather found the tanga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. Now, how was Toto an expensive deal for grandfather? How was he? Since since his arrival, Toto started damaging the house and the things in it, as I have already told you. We have already discussed right now. So what did he do? He just pulled out the wallpapers, ruined the closet, and tore the author's blazer into rags. Okay, this was the first thing. Second thing, while going to Saharanpur at the railway station, he had to pay fare for Toto too again. Second thing. Third thing, what happened? The grandfather thought that Toto would adjust with other animals in the zoo, but it never happened. And then the grandfather realized that it was not a very good deal. So yeah, and he moreover he broke so many expensive utensils and plates, another this okay this other crockeries. So therefore he just realized the grandfather realized that it was not a very good deal. Good deal of what? Good deal of keeping Toto at home. Therefore, children, he found the tanga driver and sold Toto back to him. Now, do you think that it was a lesson for grandfather? Yes, I feel that it was I think that it was a lesson for grandfather to learn that animals should not be tamed. Okay, they can live happily only in the natural habitat. Okay, and they prove expensive if we act against the law of nature. Okay, we can only keep animals according to their own will. अगर उनकी मर्जी है तभी हम किसी एनिमल को हम टेम कर सकते हैं, अपने घर पे रख सकते हैं, ओके, एज अ पेट. अगर उनकी मर्जी नहीं है तो हम लाख कोशिश कर ले, वी कैन नॉट टेम एनिमल्स एट आवर प्लेस. I hope the chapter is clear to you, clear to everyone. So children, again I would say you at last that please go through this chapter, read it properly, okay, and try to answer the questions that will be given as in your homework as well as in your examination. So till then, stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, and boost your immune system to fight against this COVID-19 situation. Okay, till then, stay positive. Thank you, children.